Designing typography t-shirt graphics in Adobe Illustrator is way easier than you think, and I'm about to show you my top tips to make it pop. Did you know that great typography can make or break your t-shirt design? Let's unlock that potential today. In this video, you'll learn how to create stunning typography t-shirt graphics using Adobe Illustrator, perfect for 2024 trends. I am Humaira Laique, and my channel name is HLGRAPHICS. So let's start tutorial. Here is the sentence I have chosen.
I am creating the life of my dreams.
Font name is Laiqueist Guy. Yes. It is absolutely free font. As I keep telling you the names of free fonts in all my tutorials. Arrange all the words on top of each other. And then we'll take a circle that will convert to a stroke. I am taking this circle only for shape so that our design is ready in a circle. So I'm going to go to the Layers panel and lock that circle. After the design is done, we will remove the circle. Now I will increase the height of all fonts vertically. We will start by creating the outline of our chosen font to give us more flexibility in editing the text. Once the font is outlined, we will fit it perfectly inside a circular shape. This approach will allow us to create a well-balanced and visually appealing design. Next, we'll adjust the size of certain text elements to emphasize key aspects of our design. Some words will be made larger to draw attention, while others will be scaled down to create a sense of hierarchy. Additionally, to further highlight the importance of specific words, we'll capitalize them, ensuring they stand out within the composition. Once the text has been sized and formatted, we will carefully arrange the words both horizontally and vertically within the circle. This step is crucial for achieving a harmonious design, where the text aligns seamlessly with the circular shape, creating a visually cohesive and engaging piece. We'll use this tool to enhance the circular composition by rounding the words and giving them a more fluid and organic shape. Additionally, the warp tool will enable us to blow up certain words, making them stand out even more within the design. This technique is particularly useful in typography, as it helps create emphasis and adds a level of creativity that can elevate the overall aesthetic of our project. As we progress, you'll notice the text gradually taking shape within the circle, aligning perfectly with its curves and contours. This careful arrangement ensures that every word fits seamlessly, contributing to a harmonious and balanced composition. In the end, we will achieve a beautifully crafted circular design, where the text not only fills the space elegantly but also enhances the overall aesthetic. The circular form will create a visually stunning piece, where each element complements the other, resulting in a design that is both captivating and artistically refined. This transformation of text into a cohesive circular design will not only be visually pleasing but also demonstrate the power of typography when combined with creative design techniques. Now that our circular design is complete, you'll notice a few empty spaces within the composition. To enhance the overall visual appeal and ensure the design feels complete, we'll strategically add some additional elements. But before we do that, we'll lock our main circle design in the Layers panel. We'll incorporate small circles, stars, and lines into the empty areas, carefully placing them to fill the gaps without overpowering the main typography. These added details will not only fill the spaces but also contribute to the overall aesthetic, adding a touch of elegance and intricacy to the design. The result will be a well-balanced and cohesive circular design, where every element works together to create a visually stunning and polished final piece. Whenever you embark on a typography project, the first and most crucial step is selecting the right font. The importance of fonts in typography cannot be overstated, as they serve as the foundation for your entire design. A well-chosen font can elevate your work, making the design process smoother and more intuitive. The right font can effortlessly convey the desired tone and message, simplifying your task and enhancing the overall effectiveness of your design. On the other hand, using an inappropriate font can undermine all your efforts, resulting in a design that feels disjointed or out of place. Therefore, it's essential to invest time in curating a strong font collection. Having a variety of high-quality fonts at your disposal ensures that you can always find the perfect one for any project, setting you up for success from the very beginning. On my channel, HLGRAPHICS, you'll discover a wide range of t-shirt design tutorials, each crafted to help you master the art of creating eye-catching and professional designs. In addition to t-shirt design, I've also produced numerous videos covering logo design, Illustrator tips and tricks, and Photoshop techniques, all aimed at enhancing your design skills. I encourage you to explore these tutorials and take full advantage of the insights and techniques shared. Please watch my videos, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask. I'd be more than happy to assist you. Just drop your queries in the comments section below. You'll also find links to several of my other videos in the description box, where you can continue learning and refining your skills. Additionally, I've created portfolios on various platforms, and I've included those links as well. I invite you to visit them, explore my work, and draw inspiration for your own projects. I've created a circular design here, but feel free to experiment with other shapes. You can take any shape, like a heart, and fit your text within it. Designing within different shapes can lead to unique and beautiful results. The heart shape, in particular, creates a lovely and striking design, so I encourage you to try it out. Once you've completed your design, please share it with me. I'd love to see your work and hear about your experience. I'll be eagerly waiting for your reply and looking forward to seeing your creativity in action. With the design nearly complete, it's time to give it the final touches. We'll carefully refine any remaining details to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and polished. Once we're satisfied with the results, the last step is to unlock and delete the outer circle, which we previously locked in the Layers panel. As soon as the circle is removed, you'll be able to fully appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of the design. The clean, crisp lines and well-balanced composition will stand out, making it a visually stunning piece. This design isn't just beautiful, it's versatile too. You can easily use it on t-shirts, where it will make a bold statement, or incorporate it into various presentations to showcase your creativity in different contexts. We cover everything you need to know to bring your ideas to life. Join us as we unlock the secrets of typography design in Illustrator and elevate your graphic design portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials and tips.